Great coach, great man. Here he is, your head coach, Charlie Strong.
Well, I'd like to say thank you for coming out to join us for this luncheon. 123 years of football. Think about that. 123 years that we've been playing this game. As you know what's going to happen? 200 years from now, we're still going to be playing this game. And the University of Texas is still going to be sitting here because we are Texas, and it's not going to go away. And it's going to take all of us to join in because this is going to be a special team this year. But really appreciate you, and thank you for coming out. But we love you. Hook 'em.